I was so excited to be here at this IBC event. I'm walking out ready to start a movement, which is what one of the speakers, Hendrik, was talking about. And also the other speaker, Bruce Siegel, talking about moving from agreement to alignment, got me really thinking about how are we going to be able to lean into that space with our teams and our clients. So for me, this was a great event. I really enjoyed being the MC and being able to host the conversation.
The engagement, the excitement has been just phenomenal. I think bringing together individuals from many different cultures and countries has brought a richness to the leadership conversation.
I had an opportunity to meet people that do very different things from me, but have similar experiences to me. And I think that was really rewarding because at the end of the day, we're all out here trying to be good leaders. And so when you can learn from other leaders, we can all make each other better.
I think the International Business Circle event was a triumph and a lot of hard work for the organization.
It's an incredible community of great friends that I just love spending time with. Second is substantive insights. There's some incredible minds, people that are both currently doing it at the tip of the spear, people that have done it before that you can learn from. And I think the third and final component to me that I've enjoyed about IBC is just the fun piece. It's a great group of people that not only learn, not only spend time together, but know how to have fun.
I really appreciated the way that we had a lot of representative from a geopolitical global perspective, as well as leadership from the many clients that Karrikins Group has worked with. So a lot of great takeaways.
Talking with one of the individuals who literally starting his own AI company. He's got a new patent pending, looking for funding. Hendrik, who's on stage with me, is an investor. So I introduced the two of them, and now they're off having a conversation.
I would recommend it from just meeting like-minded people, learning about the global economics, leadership, and collaborating with people. There's so much opportunity to be explored here in Colorado and on a national and global level.